Hey guys, welcome back to the blog. Today's topic is why get pre-qualified. All right, you guys, welcome back. As you can see, I have a guest here with me today. Before we get started, though, don't forget those links below. You can search for properties there. You can also get a free evaluation on your home. And if you need a cash offer, we'll have one to you in 24 to 48 hours. Okay, welcome to the blog.
Hey, Jenna,
Chris.
how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing, Chris?
Doing good.
All right, introductions first. This is Chris Pattison with First Choice Loan Services. He has been originating loans since 2006. He's a production manager here as well as loan originator. He has closed, hundreds of loans, Chris?
Oh, yeah.
Hundreds, absolutely. For my clients as well, he's always way above par, goes way above and beyond. Congratulations.
Thank
you won
you.
the 2015 5-Star Professional Award.
Thanks, Jenna. Appreciate it.
Awesome. All right, well, hey, let's dig our heels in, guys. Why get pre-qualified, Chris? Why is that so important?
Well, Jenna, I think that's a great question. And first of all, I think we should define what getting pre-qualified really is. Getting pre-qualified means after a brief loan application, providing details of employment, income, and assets, a lender is able to make a basic determination of credit worthiness and determine what loan programs you may qualify for, along with provide you with estimates of interest rates, out-of-pocket expenses, and payments.
Awesome. Okay. So can you give us, 3 to 5 reasons why it's so important to get this done?
Jenna, number one reason I think it's important to have a pre-qualification is because most sellers will not entertain any sort of offer without a pre-qualification accompanying it. In addition to that, real estate agents are able to dedicate the time that you really need in order to find a home, and because finding a home, searching a real estate agent does a lot of work, and they want to make sure that whenever they find this ideal home for the purchaser, that they'll be able to make an offer and qualify for a loan.
Yeah, exactly.
The second really important thing about a prospective buyer getting pre-qualified is after the quick process, you'll have a very good idea of what kind of financial obligations buying a home will entail.
Absolutely.
What I mean by that is, number one, what kind of price range you should be looking for. Number two, you'll have an idea of what kind of other financial responsibilities as far as payments, out-of-pocket expenses, documentation that may be required, along with time frames of when you should be purchasing or how long it's going to take to close on your home. And by any means, if you happen to not pre-qualify or be able to qualify, then the lender will be able to give you an idea to point you in the right direction of what you need to do to get pre-qualified.
Gotcha. Perfect.
Number three really big reason that is important to get pre-qualified, and part of that process is to make sure you're using a reputable lender in order to do your pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is only really as good as a loan originator who issues it. And, you as a real estate agent would know that sometimes it's not that good.
Yes.
And you want to make sure that you have a reliable pre-qualification to take to an offer. The number four really good reason I think getting pre-qualified is important is because you want to do it at the very beginning of the process to avoid rushing whenever you find your ideal home, because we all know you get super excited once you find a house that you love. And if you haven't already been pre-qualified, then you're going to have to rush, find a lender, get pre-qualified, and you may rush into a loan product that's not ideal. And during that whole process, you may lose a house because someone beats you to the offer.
Very true.
So the fifth really important reason I think getting pre-qualified is important is because you can actually elevate that pre-qualification to a pre-approval to add even more confidence to your offer, along with adding even more clout to your offer.
Good.
Call a pre-approval a pre-application on steroids, if you will.
Gotcha.
Because it actually requires a lender to provide a commitment to lend on a loan for you after we've already underwritten all of the income, asset, and credit information. The difference between the two is it takes a little bit longer for a pre-approval, of course, because we have to underwrite. So it takes 3 to 5 business days versus a pre-qualification only takes about a few hours. So in summary, guys, getting pre-qualified is a must in order to act fast on a property, know what kind of financial figures you will be looking at, and to figure out if you're working with the right lender.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. Well, you guys, that was so helpful. Greatly appreciate that so much. I hope you guys will come back to the blog, but when you do, we'd actually love to pick topics from your questions and comments. So leave a comment or question below. We will get back with you, and we look forward to serving you soon. Have a great day.
Thanks, Jenna.
Absolutely.